All right, welcome back to the channel. I'm in the 97 Disco. I'm taking on a little bit of a road test. I'm actually going to go meet up with a guy to look at a set of white classic wheels. Trying to change up the look of this thing a little bit. I like the wheels that are on there, but I figure for the right price, these might make it look a little more interesting. White on white on Disco is usually a pretty decent combination. But moreover, I just wanted to kind of run this up to highway speeds and continue to test it out after we fix the cooling system, just make sure everything's operating correctly. I am about to go on the highway on almost 12 13-year-old dry rotted tires, so that's going to be interesting. But other than that, it's still running great. No issues so far. Heat, AC, everything's still working good, shifting fine. And again, just kind of pressure testing this thing. That's with a lot of these old Rovers. We've even had a couple that they'll run perfectly for 30 minutes, and then they'll start getting hot or making other noises. So it really
continue straight. Then use the right lane to take a slight right turn to merge onto I-95 North toward Washington.
Sign off that they're functional and fixed. So that's the goal of today, and we'll see how it all works. All right, going for the merge. Again, most people think I'm crazy for just documenting relatively normal driving processes.
In 2.6 miles, continue onto I-95 North.
But as you've come to figure out, every trip in a Rover is kind of an adventure, and that's what kind of makes these things interesting. So we're going to try to get it up to highway speeds here and make sure we got all functions. Definitely not quick. I got my foot pretty far all the way in here, and we're just creeping along here. But sounds good. Everything seems good. We'll check back in when we get to our destination. All right, so got the wheels. One tire has a big tear in it, which is kind of a bummer, but they were pretty cheap. They're the Range Rover Classic wheels, so I figured, it's worth a shot. Definitely have to get a tire or 4 tires for them, but other than that, decent deal. And we'll see how they look later on. All right, here's the white Classic wheels. The old mock-up. I don't know. I didn't think I would like it if it would stay, but I think those would look actually pretty sweet. Not a whole lot of difference, but these are like the the long wheelbase. I forget what the hell they are, but no, these are like the green ones we have on the 95 short wheelbase. So I don't know, that's just a quick mock-up. I think they'll look pretty sweet. Just have to find some decent tires for this turd, and it'll kind of complete the look there. People don't really like these Disco wheels. I forget what they're called that much, but I think they suit the truck. They're pretty period, but this might be a little more different. I don't think I've ever seen them on a Disco, so I'm probably pretty pleased with how that ends up looking.